How you doing, guys? I'm Ray with Autohelpers. Today we are fixing the quarter panel for a 2013 Camero, and down this one had a dent right here on the quarter panel. It was pretty big, but we already popped it out by doing some stud welding on it, so we were able to pull the sheet metal. What I'm doing right now, this is actually a big thing when you're doing body work, that you cannot get the proper lines, especially this car has very smooth, subtle curve, and it has a bit a nice outlined line on especially on the wheel part. So one way to make sure that you are getting the right line is to pretty much use a stick if you have one available. Measure from a point that you have not worked on, and just mark it. Mark first the stick, because there's gonna be the sign of where you're gonna be using throughout the whole lining in order to make the perfect line. So this pretty much what we're doing here is just the body line. We're gonna be doing certain points until we get the right pattern all around the arc of the wheel. So there, what you see, I'm not sure you can see right here, but I just put some lines right here. So that's just going to be a guide. Once I start sanding it down, we're going to be using a block, a door block, and we are going to be doing first a brush stroke, and we're going to be doing that all around in a rainbow pattern, since the body does have pretty nice curve on it. Up here, you're definitely going to be doing a down motion, but from here to here, you're going to be doing side to side, then down. And still on a rainbow part, so that you're going to have a very subtle line, body line, then this line that is pretty defined right here. So it's very important to have a stick, pen, your Dura block. It's going to be very handy. I'm using an 80 grit. Obviously, whenever you already get the body line done, you'll be able to go with a finer putty or any finishing putty, and just use a light sandpaper, like a 300 or 400. Even 600 if possible, but that will be more towards the finish. Once you apply a filling putty, a red putty, or a primer, just very thick 2K primer, then you can finish it off and still make sure that you don't have any scratches. Since this is a black car, it's going to be showing a lot of defects if there's any unfinished product. So you want to make sure to take all the precautions and do it properly before you deliver to the customer. Alright, guys, if y'all have any questions on any bodywork or mechanical, please reach us out. Autohelpers, 281-678-7494. Thanks, guys.